time now for a bite of the week. It comes from a police officer who battled back from the brink of death after he was shot 6 times.
Now, the officer was injured during a daring daylight heist in Maypen, Clarendon in 2019. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
My foot was dismantled, almost severed off. Only the skin alone. I said, what is this? And I just give myself a small target and start push myself with the 1 foot. And now when they're still firing at me, I start to push myself. I got the tree in my belly, I start to push myself to go to the wall. I got another one, I start to push myself. I start to push myself and I said something, I just get the strength. Yes. Keep on pushing myself to the wall to cover myself. And the men, these men are heartless people, you know. The last one, and I got it below my spine here. I said, Lord, it looked like this is it now. And I said to Wang and Davis, take away yourself. Save yourself. I am okay, I'm all right. Save yourself. And right there, I saw a taxi came along and I saw a gentleman came from a taxi. When I looked, it's DC Lindsay came out from a taxi. And when I recognized him, I just threw my gun to him. And when he do so, he said, where's the magazine? And Davis just threw a magazine to him because I had 2 magazines. And let me tell you something, the 3 police officers, they really struck the chest.
And the primetime package continues with sports right after this break.